Stop wasting time switching softwares. Today, I'm going to show you how you can draw a complete floor plan and instantly generate its render step by step using Synapse. You'll find the link in description to try it out yourself. Let's open Synapse in my web browser. At the top right corner, you will see the plus icon to create a new model. Simply click on that and here we are in the drawing interface of Synapse. In the center, this is where you will create your drawing. On the left hand side, we have the layers panel and on the right side, we have the properties panel. First, I'm going to change the frame to portrait. Then I will go to the top toolbar and select the wall tool. And from the right hand side, I will change the thickness to 9 inches. Next, I will adjust the fill and the stroke of the wall. Now, click once, enter your dimension, click second time and your wall is ready. Using the same method, I will create my full floor plan. Now that I created all the outer walls which are 9 inches thick, I will again go to my wall tool, change the thickness to 4 inches and start creating the partition walls inside my 1 BHK apartment. I will simply click once, enter the dimension, click again, and that's how I will create each wall one by one. So I will quickly draw all the walls and show you the result. Now that my walls are ready, I can easily move them if I want to. Next, I will go to the top toolbar and select the opening tool. Here you can see doors and from the right side properties you can change the swing. Again, I will select the opening tool. The shortcut is Shift plus O. I will add a door for my bathroom, change its orientation and then add another door for the entrance. You can also adjust the scale of your doors very easily. For adding windows, I will again use the opening tool. I will place it like this and from the right hand side properties panel, I will choose drop door where you will find windows option. Select that, then I can select the window and adjust its scale easily. After that, on the left hand side, you will see all your layers neatly organized inside your frame. Next, we have the resource library on the left side, from where you can add furniture elements. I'm simply going to drag and drop items, which makes it very easy and convenient to finish the space. I will quickly add all my furniture elements and then I will show you how it looks. And here you can see my floor plan is completed. Now it's time to create some renders from this floor plan. Yes, you heard that right. I'm going to generate renders directly from this floor plan. From the top toolbar, you will see a camera option. Simply click on it and set your camera like this. I'm positioning my camera towards the living room. You can adjust the camera angle and the direction as well. Make sure the camera is selected and at the bottom you will find the option to add prompt. Simply type your prompt. I am writing a simple one, create a render of this living room. Nothing fancy, just basic prompt. Let's see what it generates. And here you can see it has created a branch and here is my render frame. It only takes about 10 seconds to generate and now it says the render is complete and this is how it looks. It understood the proportions of my living room very well. It kept the round coffee table, the same sofa style and the same window placement, but I want to customize it to make it perfect. Client ready render. So again, I will select the frame and add another prompt, full height window. Then I will send it. Here you can see it created another branch. Let's check the result. And yes, we now have a full height window. It didn't change anything else. The sofa, table and lamp are the same. Only the window changed, which is really nice feature. Again, I will select this frame and add another prompt. Change the wall color to beige. Then I will send it. I am writing very simple prompts just like I'm talking to a friend, nothing complicated. Let's see what it generates. In many AI tools, it's difficult to make the system understand your language. But in Synapse, it's really easy. I'm typing simple prompts and it gives accurate results, which is amazing. And here you can see it changed the wall color to beige and it looks really nice. So this is how step by step I improve my renders. Again, make sure you select the exact frame you want to edit. Then I will add another prompt, add curtains to my window. I will send it, and again it creates a new frame. Step by step, you can see your progress, where you started and how many changes you have made. That's a really helpful feature. And here it added curtains, which I really like. Next, I will select this frame and add another prompt. This time, I want to change the theme of my room. Let's see what it generates. It changed the neutral colors to white tones, which I like, but I personally prefer the beige version. So instead of selecting the last frame, I'm selecting the second last frame and adding new prompt. Change the flooring to wooden. Then send it. Here you can see it created a branch. I can drag and compare both the options generated from this frame. And yes, it changed the flooring to wooden, which looks much better. Again, I will select this frame number 08 and add another prompt. Add a painting on the wall. You can see it added wall art that matches the theme of the living room, and it really enhances the overall look. Next prompt, change the coffee table. And here you can see the progress from where we started. Now the coffee table has changed too. Now I will select this frame and again type remove the plant from the coffee table, then send. And there you go, it removed only the plant. The books are still there, which is quite impressive. That shows how well it understands your prompt. Here you can see I also added a balcony to my view and changed the theme to grey. Now let's experiment more. I want to create a night view, so I will select this view and type create a night view, then send. And here we have a night render. Outside the window it's nighttime, the candles are lit, and I also created a beige tone night version which looks really nice. Next, I will select the frame 213 and type add a lady sitting on the sofa reading a book. Then send it. Let's see what it generates. Here's another option, and you can see how beautifully it placed the lady on the sofa reading a book. Finally, once you're happy with your render, simply select it, right-click and export as an SVG file. You can also share your file from the top right by adding your colleagues or client's email address and assigning them viewer, editor, or admin access. Then sending the invitation. And that's how you go from a simple floor plan to realistic render in Synapse. If you want to learn Synapse in detail, make sure to check out my previous tutorials on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.